What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ Today we're doing an unboxing. Got a package from Ye Old Monster Bass. Let's see what's in here. Alrighty. We got a bag. Two bags. Alright, one's the bass bag, one's the multi-species bag. That's the bass bag. This must be the multi-species bag. So, I got this month's bag here. We got the ARC TV 115 topwater. The B8 Lab Rocket Shad. B8 Lab Rocket Shad. I'm just kidding, this is the multi-species box. I got some Euro Tackle Euro tubes from there, the Micro Finesse. I freaking love Euro Tackle. So that worked really good on a crappie, I bet. Then we got some more small tube Mismo specs. These are Mismo Bait Company. Nice, really cool looking little mini tubes. Dope. Monster Bass sticker. A free bait coupon for the Ned Ocho. We got Monster Bass Monster Stops. They're bobber stoppers. I honestly never use those things because I like the weight to swing free, but maybe I'll start putting it like a little bit up the line, see if that does anything for me. We got a crankbait from Booyah. Little crankbait from Booyah. These things from Lake Fork are crazy. I believe they're the ring fries. Little teeny tiny tube jigs. Perfect. These are perfect. Need something like that to go with these tubes that we got. We got a tungsten, Monster Bass tungsten weight. I did an entire video on Monster Bass tungsten weights, and I can leave that linked right here if you have any questions on the Monster Bass tungsten weight lineup. We're doing them for real cheap. And that is this month's multi-species box. Alright, then we got our Monster Bass bag here as well. We got the same B8 Lab TV 115. TV 115. So that's really bad in here. We got a super bright chartreuse version of these Lake Fork ring fry. Alright, steel shad. Big old paddle tail swim baits. Fantastic. Couple of 3/0 Mustad offset hooks. Strike King crankbait. And the KVD Game Hog. We're actually going to be doing a video on this thing very shortly. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Remember, Monster Bass is always linked down below if you're interested in picking up either the bass bag or the multi-species bag. Stoked for this. Got to do a video on that and these awesome Monster Bass tungsten weights. We're also going to be able to use these Mustad hooks as well. Go along with that. Go fish around some thick stuff. Let's see what we can put together. We'll go for some largies. I've been doing a lot of saltwater fishing, guys, and I do miss the freshwater stuff, I'm not going to lie. And I've been super busy as of late, as most of you that pay attention all the time know. So we will be doing more freshwater stuff, you know, in the future, especially as the channel grows. Guys, I really appreciate your support. We are growing super fast. At this rate, I do expect to be at 10K fairly soon, and if we do hit 10K by the end of the year, we're going to be giving away a very expensive reel. I'm thinking in the Metanium DC, Shimano Metanium DC range of price. We could also switch that to saltwater. We'll think about it. Maybe I'll get like just a really nice spinning reel. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. We'll catch you tomorrow. Fish on. Oh, and congratulations to the giveaway winners. I cannot wait for that trip.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.